So guys, this message is intended for my Edmonton peeps. So guys, the last time I was in Edmonton, you guys asked us, why didn't we do a meet and greet? So we will be in Edmonton this weekend for Canada Day long weekend. And we have decided to do a small meet and greet because we would love to meet all of you guys. There are so many persons who we have connected with virtually who have moved to Edmonton and who we have not yet met in person. So we'll be in Edmonton this weekend and we are doing a small meet and greet to meet you guys. We would love to meet you guys. So the location will be underneath the video description in this video. And the time is 1:30 to 3:30. I will be doing it on Sunday, June 30th. So if it is you guys want to come out and meet us, look on the location, come and say hi. Just a small get together and yeah, let's keep it real. We'd love to connect with you guys, all right? So see you guys on Sunday, June 30th at 1:30 at the location underneath this video description. See you guys.